morning, everyone, and welcome to Stockport Pre-Market Analysis. From today, our video content is private, only for the Discord members. So here we go. Start with S&P 500. What we are looking at, the price is in the price discovery. We have broken this resistance right in this area, this particular candle. Okay. Initially, we were interested in this particular candle. The price had upside liquidity. Then on this particular candle, we had a downside liquidity sweep. Market will continue. Again, we are maintaining the 9 EMA bullish. The price will continue. We do not have a weakness right now. Okay. So what we are looking at, we are looking for more upside before the market sell-off. We have RSI has cooled off a little bit, still bullish. So we are good on this one. Okay. So there is no immediate sell-off. Moving forward to Airbnb, we took the trade out yesterday. We'll try to buy as close as 123.80 on the Fibonacci retracement. This is where we'll be shorting the put and continue our trade again. 123.80. Okay, we have a death cross. Wait for the price retracement a little bit back more, and then we will take the trade. Moving forward to AI, the stock will continue. More upside. All our trade are in profit. We have a 17.5 short put. That's also in profit. Only trade which is left in loss right now is 22.50 short put, and that will eventually come into profit because the stock is heading into 22 and then eventually 30 plus. Okay, so continue holding all the trade. Even if you are out of the trade with the profit, still good to short the put, but make sure you short any put which is $16 and below for 18 June 2026. All right, moving forward to bull. Nice bounce. This is what we were looking at. Right when the price was trading here at 1260, we were waiting for 1484, and that's exactly where the price is heading into. Right, third touch point right here at 1484 will close all the trade, and we need to be out of all the trade and wait for the retracement back into 1348.50 EMA right in this area. So the price will continue and then retrace. Okay, we still have some trade left on this one. Bull put spread. Whenever we close the trade for the profit, never get out 100% of the trade. Okay, reinstate another trade right away. Moving forward to CLSK, we'll pass on this one. There is no need to trade right here. The price has already gone up. Moving forward to CMG, nice bounce. Yesterday, I mentioned we have the first positive angle. This was the institution buy right in this area, 4.21 million share. Price is bouncing. We have entered the wave 3. We have also claimed the 50 EMA successfully. Stock is bullish and will continue towards 44. So another $4, another 10% upside is left from here, and then we'll decide. Okay, so continue holding your CMG coin. Okay, this is the retracement we were waiting for. Okay, so originally we are waiting for 322.24. We still have $11 upside. What we can do at this point, we can short one or two put right in this area at this price, 333 area, but short the put anything where the strike price minus the premium makes us below 315. Let's say I'm shorting $320 put and the premium is $10. Good. That's what we want to short because our break even is 310. Okay, so any put for 18 June to 16 January, whatever you are shorting, make sure the strike price minus the premium is below 315. Okay, good to start the trade now. Moving forward to Circle, we are looking for a little bit more retracement. Most likely what you will see here is this is wave B. Okay, a little bit of bounce right here and then again sell off. Okay, and when we sell off again, we'll breach the 50 EMA. Do not get excited on the Circle. A lot of people are excited. Oh, it's not stopping. It will eventually stop and it will go where it's supposed to go. Okay, 123, right in this area, 120 area, still an area. It has to come down. Wave B, ellipse. So you see this spread candle right here. After one or two green candles, you see another spread candle. Exactly carbon copy of this candle right here, and then the price will sell off. Okay, so watch this candle. Whenever this candle appear after 2, 3, 4 candle, right away the price will drop. Okay. Moving forward to core view, we are in wave 3. Price can push a little bit more higher. We would definitely want our entry anywhere from 112 to 108 area. Okay. Right now, I don't see the weakness in the trend. Okay. Most likely, this is where the weakness sign is, anywhere from 141 to 154. That's the area. Okay. So what do we do here? We can continue trading the bull put spread. Do not short the put on this one right here. Okay, in wave 3 you do not want to short the put. If you take here, let's say you are shorting the put for 120, make sure you have a put added for $100, because if once the price drop, we will close the $100 put for profit and wait for $120 put for recovery. Bull put spread in this area. Moving forward to GameStop, continue holding the stock and the covered call, which is expiring on 26th of September. This Friday, right before the market close, we'll be selling the new covered call for 10th of October or 20th of October, right before the market close on Friday. Okay, we want to gain that theta over the weekend. Moving forward to HIMS, this is what we are looking at. When we caught the stock right in this area, right here at 40.88, okay, right at this candle, since then we knew it. So what we have done, the price has reached and it taking a little bit of cool off. Okay, 59.36, this was the price target. What we are looking at, there is still more upside left. Okay, there is no sign of weakness, but eventually you will see in next couple of candles the price will drop. Why it will drop? Look at this one. We have a continuous bearish divergence on the RSI. We have a this dot right in this area, which is the confirmation of the EMA cross. Also, we have a death cross about to come. So what we are looking at on HIMS, once the price goes anywhere from 61.54, that's the area we are interested in right here. 61 plus. Once we see this dotted line right in this area, outside of the linear regression, like here, you see this week, and look at the top of this candle. It was outside of the linear regression right in this area. If I zoom it for you, look at that. This wick was outside right in this area, you see. So what we are looking at, next time when the price goes out of linear regression, right away we will sell some extra naked call on this one, and that's when the price will drop. Okay, so a little bit more upside towards 61.54. Any wick outside of linear regression will be short selling this one. Okay, moving forward to Lucid, nice bounce on this one. Unexpectedly, I was not expecting it to bounce above 1955. Still going on like another $2 it has gone up. So what we'll do, we'll stay clear of this one as if now, and we'll wait for the retracement. This is where the sell side volume is. This box was drawn right when the stock was trading at 16 and 15 area, right in this area. We knew what this is because this was the equal high right in this area, and that's where the seller will be trapped. The seller will trap the buyer right in this area. So a little bit more upside about 23.50, and then you'll see the big dump coming moving forward. Lululemon, we are in profit, continue holding the trade. We have claimed the 50 EMA. Stock is bullish. We are holding all our trade for 193. Even if you book the profit on your existing trade, make sure you short the put. Do something. Initiate the new trade right away. Okay. We will continue trading unless the price goes to 193.50, and then all trade will be closed. Then we are out of Lululemon completely. Okay, right here on the Marvel Technology, we had this trade. We bought the stock right in this area. I took the exit. We booked the profit. What we are looking for? We are looking for the wave 4. We have a clear resistance right in this area. One high point, lower high, third lower high, rejection, and that will give us the confirmation of the. Also, it's happening in a particular area which is equal high right in this area, sell side liquidity. Also at the trend line and the resistance level 2, which is more likely 100% confirmation the price will sell off. Where it will sell off, 68.90 most likely, or $70. Okay, so approximately $5, which is about 5 to 6% right in this area. Once we have a 5 to 6% drop, we are ready to buy again for the wave 5 and again break these all 3 points. Because whenever you see the resistance third touch point, resistance breaks in fourth touch, not on the third. Third touch is always the short point. Okay, so you will see the retracement right in this area, wave 4, and then the breakout upside. Moving forward to MSTR. MSTR will break out. Okay, anytime it's ready for the breakout. This is the rounding bottom right in this area. You see this rounding bottom, and right now we are maintaining on a 4-hour time frame 50 EMA. We have a golden cross coming up, so everything, the setup is very good here. Okay, even if it's volatile and keep bouncing on up and down, it's all because of the Bitcoin price, all because of the volatility right here. And but the setup is correct. So what is the setup we are looking here? If this is wave 1, let me give you the wave 1. So ABC, which is your become wave 1, right? This was the lowest point number A, B, C. This become wave 1. And if you look at the perfect Fibonacci retracement on this one, from this point to this point, wave 1, and this become your wave 2, and this is wave 3. So we are ready for the bounce in a big time. And that's why if you go covered, make sure delta 0.20, not more than that, because we don't want to miss the rally. Delta 20, what will happen? The delta 20 will be the strike price somewhere around 420, 430 area. So that's enough run to capture from 337 to 430, $100 plus the premium. So that's a good premium to capture. So 0.20 delta. Do not sell any call more than 0.20 delta. Okay. Moving forward to NVDA. So we have all this trade going on with the covered call. You can book the profit, okay, on all the trade of the NVDA now. Moving forward to Oscar, wait for the retracement. This what will happen right in this area. Okay, look at the background. What will happen? So this pattern, which a lot of people are seeing, is at a recovery bounce of 50 EMA. This pattern will fail. Why it will fail? Because this trend line was tested for the first time, but there was no pivot in this area. Second time it will break and liquidity retest right in this area, which is 15.60. So we are a buyer, not at this point. This week is not our buy. This is the closing of this candle is our buy, which is 1607. We still have about $2.45 to drop, and eventually it will drop. This is where we will buy. This is the box that we are interested in. So this is the area right here and all the way to the trend line. This is the box that we'll be buying. I'll keep it here so you know that. Okay, moving forward to quantum skip. We are out of trade. We are waiting for the retracement right in this area, and you'll see the retracement. This is what you're looking at. Very similar. You have this spread candle, which is buying climax. After the buying climax, the volume is going upward and candle body decay reversal. The candle body has almost vanished. Means there is a lot of trading happening right in this area, but no one is willing to hold. So there is no long buy going on right now. So people are trading for last 12 hours right in this area, 1, 2, 3. People are trading it and no one is willing to hold. When you see the holding volume, the candle body will be big. Okay, so no one is holding means death cross coming up, already going on. RSI is overbought, is definite to drop. Minimum level we will target anywhere from under $10. So close to $10, okay, and then all the way to 947 and 917 area. So 950 plus we are a buyer anywhere, but under 1050, 950, that $1. This is the range that we'll be buying, which is the also coming at the point of control line, like right in this area. So this is a good price to start again under 1050 before 950. Okay. So that's the area we'll be looking at. Rivian, we are out of trade. We always knew it. This is a $15, $16, even $17 price target. So we'll wait for the retracement right here. We are out of all the trade with the profits. We'll wait for the retracement back into 13, under $14. Okay. So right here, 1375 to 1348. This is the Fibonacci retracement that we'll be interested in right in this area, 1366. So look at 1375, 1348, and 1366, the three area right here. Okay, anywhere right in this area, when we'll see the bullish engulfing like this one, a candle with big wick and then the short candle, again right in this area. This is what the bouncing pattern, okay? And you will see this happening multiple times, okay? Again, right here, you see that big candle with a big wick and one short candle. Again, one big candle with a big wick and one short candle right here. So this is the kind of pattern you will see. One big candle with a big wick and suddenly there is a one small candle right in this area, and we are a buyer on this. Keep an eye on this particular candle setup. Okay, most of the time when the stock go up, they generally make the same candle repeated. Okay, that's called repetition of structure. Okay, those who have done the MMC concept, they know that in the group. Okay, SBUX, all our put are in profit. Continue holding those one. Okay, we'll be holding all our trade for the equal high right in this area, which is 89 area. So continue holding this one. We have reclaimed the 50 EMS. Stock is bullish. Yes, I'll do grab. All right in this area. So stock is bullish. We'll continue holding the short put. We are not buying the share on SBX, just short put and continue holding. They will lose the value. Moving forward, the SMCI, super bullish. Okay, this is not wavy. Don't look at the dotted line. Okay, but we are looking at when we have this one, inverted head and shoulder right here. You see the pink line, left hand shoulder, this head, this right hand shoulder. So we are straight looking into this price point right here, 62 area. We'll continue trading SMCI. Those who are looking to collect the dividend, buy SMCY to the tomorrow maximum. So 1 or 2 days, within 1 or 2 days, approximately 100 share will give you about $130, $140 dividend. That's good. And if you collect the dividend right away, you can sell it. So since the SMCY is going upwards, you will get the dividend, then the price will recover right away. Okay, SMCY for the dividend. We are holding our position from the last week. Those who are not in SMCY, you can buy it today. Okay, continue trading SMCY right here. Tesla, we are out of all the trade and we don't want to buy in this area. Why we don't want to buy? We are looking a major drop on this one. Okay, there's a lot of downside on Tesla. The point of control line is still sitting as 346. I'm not a buyer unless the price drop below 325. This area, this buy side liquidity right in this area, 327. Until 327, I will not touch. Okay, and then only I will start trading. Okay, worst case, this is where we want to buy. This is where we want to buy. 0.168, 258. Anything under 273 is a lottery. Okay. Till then, stay clear of Tesla. Trade desk, we took the position day before yesterday or yesterday morning, I think. Yeah. So we are good to continue holding. We are already in profit on TTD trade desk. Continue holding the price at least for first equal high, which is 55.69 right in this area, and then we'll decide whether to continue the trade or not. So another $9 upside. Continue holding all your trade. We have a long synthetic spread. So good trade, good setup for a 55.90. Moving forward to Wix. Wix has a rejection right in this area. Okay. This recovery on the Wix will have another failure. The Wix will again drop right in this area. Means the market will continue unless the Wix break this resistance. Okay, this is what the point is. 1, 2, 3. Third time the Wix or whatever the chart is always drop. Okay, moving forward, the Wix, I'm looking for one more drop, possible equal low right in this area 1725, and then shoot up. So we have few more days before the SMCI will pull back. Okay, moving forward to BMNR. All right, what we are looking at, this is the box that we drawn. We are very much interested in anything close to 45 area. Okay, stock, when it was here at 63, everybody was excited. We knew this will sell. When you draw the chart like this one, look at this one. How do we know whether the stock will pull back or not? Okay, look at this one. If there is a lower high, okay, then expect the another lower high in this area like this. Okay, this is how you see. Okay, something like that. Just to try to figure out, draw the parallel channel. Okay, let me give you the parallel channel and you'll have more clarity on this one. So whenever you want to find out this kind of pattern, that where could be the next low when there is no reference point with us. So this is something you draw the parallel channel and right in this area, which is also coming from high on this area. So this makes the perfect sense. Right in this area, which is 36, 37 area is the next low point, and then the market will bounce. Okay, this is how you identify that where the next low, possible low, when there is no reference point. Okay, BMNR, stay clear, wait for the trade. We are bearish, we are death cross, continue going downward. So there's another few days and we'll see a little bit more downside. Moving forward to Amazon, share with the covered call, good to buy. We are between this trend line, this one and this one. Worst case, it can drop to 224, which is just $4, and that's why we have collected the $4 covered call on the share, which is 10th of October, 485 premium. So we have good setup, sideline market right here, all the way from here, from 15th of August, sideline up, down, up, down, up, down. This is the time that you want to trade as a fixed income product. Buy the share, sell the covered call every bi-weekly, unless your share are called, keep doing that. Okay, fixed income, $500, $600 every bi-weekly. Okay, and the investment is safe. Amazon is not going anywhere. Okay, so moving forward to Grab. All right, yes, Grab, there is a lot of interest on the 20th of February, $8 call. Okay, what I will do, this is what I was looking at. If you remember, when the Grab was trading right here, right in this area, that time this Fibonacci retracement was drawn, this 3, and I pointed that the price will go to 599. And here we are at 653, even higher. So what we are looking at now, so I clearly mentioned if the wave will fail, a wave will fail at 599, which is 3, might become wave C and fail. So right now it become 3, which is 100% confirmed. Okay, here is going on. So what we are looking at, we'll wait for the retracement. This is not the area we want to buy. We don't want to buy when the stock is continuing shooting upward. We had an opportunity to buy at 495, 498 when we covered Grab first time. Okay, let cool off a little bit. Okay, right in this area, which is 568, at least $1 downside. Okay, so what we will do, look at this one, this comment, this one, probably the comment from 18th of August, the breakout 775, bottom 448. So this was the comment from 15th of August. Okay, what we are looking at now, the 444 is not happening. 775 definitely happening, because 20th of February, $8 call has a massive contract. 12,000 contract has been purchased for 20th of February, $8 call. Okay, I will share the screenshot in the Discord after the video. Okay, so what is happening, we'll just wait for a little bit of retracement, and right away at once the price comes anywhere from 550 plus, like 560 area, right away buy the same call, which is 20th of February 2026, $8 covered, $8 call. So buy the long call and hold it. That's it. No need to buy the share, no need to short the put, just buy the long call. 20th February, $8 right at the 550. So wait for the little bit of retracement. When the retail investor panic, they will sell. The price will drop here. Okay. Moving forward to Bitcoin. All right. So most likely what we are looking at, I'm looking for the Bitcoin to mark the bottom today. Okay. Either we already marked it, this is the bottom, or we may touch one more time, but most likely the bottom is in. Why the bottom is in? Okay, the reason being we have a golden cross coming up on the 4-hour time frame. So the volume is picking up. You see the faded pink dot, pink line right here? It means the volume is fading. The sell side volume is fading. Okay, then what happens? We have this green dot. RSI is recovery from the oversold area yesterday. The RSI has recovery. So now look at the volume candle. Okay, let's go to the VSA. So this particular candle, okay, this particular candle was our stopping volume, and chart is also saying this was the stopping volume. Stopping volume comes here, right here, 111,792, and then we need to find our spread candle, which is this one. Okay, this particular candle. Okay, because this is the second highest. This, if this is stopping volume, then automatically not this one, not this one. This is our spread candle right here. So anything below the closing of this spread candle, which is 112,963, which is the current price, any buy below this price will never result in a loss. Okay, so the price has to reclaim and shoot up above this, because that's where the climax has happened. That's where the buyer are stepping in. Below this price, the buyer are coming right away. So whenever the price is going 112,946, the buyer are jumping in, and that's what is happening. Look, next candle went down, buyer pushed it. Sorry. Next candle went down, buyer pushed it. Next candle, solid push. Since then, buyer are stepping in, and you see the green candle right on the volume. Low volume rally, perfect confirmation for the retracement. We are looking for right in this area, which is equal high. The opening of this particular candle, not the wick, the opening of, which is 117,438. So we are going back into 117, and then we'll decide the setup, what will happen at 170. So stock is bullish, oversold on 4-hour time frame. RSI is recovering, golden cross is happening, volume is stepping in, stopping volume, spread candle, bottom 112,946, and we are bouncing off right here. So that's what you will see, a bounce from here. Algorand, very similar setup, stopping volume outside of linear regression, stopping volume, and here we have the spread candle. This one particularly, here is this one, not here. Okay, here is this one. Anything below 21.21 is considered as a bottom fishing, and the price is bouncing. What we are looking at now on the Algorand, we are looking for 25.07. All our leverage trade will be in profit once the price comes to 25.07. Right here, we'll be looking for an exit of leverage trade and then wait for the retracement. 25.07 is the price target. We'll continue holding our trade. Golden cross, RSI recovery, stopping volume, green volume, buyer stepping in. Okay, ADA, Cardona, this is what we were looking at, 0.78, right in this area. When I alerted, the 0.86 was our first buy point, and 78 was the absolute bottom. This was alerted in the Discord, and look at how precise the price came to 0.7883. Okay, so right the wick right in the same price. And why this wick is coming right in this area, you need to understand. Always look left on the chart. Okay, look at this particular candle, the pin bar candle right here. This candle, look at the wick. Means this is where the buyer pushed the price and bought it 23.29 million token on Cardano. Okay, right in this area, Cardano. Okay, so right in this area. So what is happening here? So when you see this big buy, so next time the price will come here, and that's where the wick will happen again, and that's the confirmation of this one. Since this wick was marked bottom at 78, which was our initial target, that maximum it can go to 78. After that, no candle has been able to breach this price. So all candle are respecting. Okay, so there is a recovery from here. We are looking at 93.87, equal high of this point right in this area, 95. So same, let's say every time we exit at 96, again, we can look for the exit close to 96 plus minus, and then wait for the another retracement. Okay, so back into like 14 cent, and then we are out. Moving forward to Ethereum, ICP is also a good buy right in this area. We were out with the profit and now it's a good buy. Those who want to buy Internet Computer ICP, you can add the position. Let's move to Ethereum. What's going on? Ethereum, practically, I wanted to drop to 3,200 area, and that's what my buy order. But what is happening here? Why suddenly there is a bullish view on Ethereum? There is no bullish view. This is a 4-hour time frame bounce. You need to understand when you are looking at two different time frame. 4-hour, the stock is oversold, token is oversold. Okay, it has to give you a bounce right in this area, which is 464681, this trend line. If you go to the daily time frame, suddenly you will have a clarity. So what is happening on Ethereum? What we are looking at? We are looking for a short term, which is like 1 week and 7 days, 8 days, 10 days, a bounce. But when you are looking at like 1.5 months from now, another sell off. Okay, Ethereum will sell off once again. And where it will sell off? Right in this area, this Fibonacci area equal to this candle. No matter what the price, once it will come here. I don't know when. There is no guarantee of like it will come in 10 days, 20 days. I don't know. Nobody can say the time frame. But price will definitely come to this area. Okay. Right in this area, around 32, 34 area. Okay. Once the price will come. So right here, we are looking for a one bounce and then sell off. Okay. So short term, bullish, long term, bearish. And this is what is happening right here. Avalanche, the another product. Solana 219. We are waiting for a little bit more retracement. We want to buy around 190 area. We are not buying in this area. Okay. Eventually, Solana is going 281 and then 500, 700. It was alerted last year itself that it's going over 500 area. Okay. Moving forward to Avalanche. Avalanche has taken over market cap of Link. Okay, so what we are looking at, definitely a solid project. This is the bottom last time we were looking at, liquidity grab right in this area. Price was 23.26. That's when I took the entry. I'm out of Avalanche just now. Okay, so we are waiting for the retracement again. This equal high candle will fail the pattern. This candle, another wick, this is the spread candle right here, and very interesting. What is happening right in this area on the top? This spread candle, the next candle shooting up as a morning star. Okay, as shooting star. Okay, what is happening? Another liquidity offload. People are selling right in this area. They're bringing the artificially pumping the price, and right here they're offloading the position. Okay, and we have a death cross. So the price will go through a correction somewhere around 26, 27 area, and we are a big time buyer at 27 again. Okay, and then we'll ride all the way to 40, 45 area. Okay, so wait for 26.74 at least, and then we'll buy. This time it's not coming to 23.26. Here it came to 23.26. Next time, like the next pullback, it only be like 26.74, and we'll ride the wave 5 once again. Okay, that's all for today. Is there any comment or ticker symbol? DXCM, yes, wait for the alert. Achu, what do you want? Okay, any trade on AI, CMG, Lulu, we are holding the trade. CMG, we are holding the trade. AI, we are holding the trade. There is no new trade on this one. We have existing trade going on. Circle trade still good, even if the correction. Circle is good to add now. You can start a trade on Circle. We have seen the retracement. This is what we were looking at. Circle 137. Let's go back. Okay, we are in wave 2 right in this area. Okay, on a daily time frame. So it will not drop much. Maximum it can come to 130 area. So maximum it can go down $8. We had a decent retracement from 148 to 138 now, so $10. Worst case, it can drop another $8. What I would suggest is at least start the 50% position now on Circle, and then wait for any downside. We want to grab as much as possible. So we are good to start the trade on Circle. But do not start the start long synthetic yet. So we can only short the put in this area. Okay, if it drop down, what will happen? Let's say we short the put now, the price will drop, and then the call will be cheaper, and then we add the call, which will make it a long synthetic. CoreView, yes, we are out of CoreView. Amazon is a big ticket. Yes, Amazon is a big ticket, but we want to Amazon. There is no problem with the Amazon. The problem is with the overall market. Okay, so make sure you cover Amazon. Overall market is not at the right point. Okay, not at the right place. Moving forward to SMCI, yes, I just mentioned buy for dividend collection. SMCI is good to buy today. Okay, and that's all for today. Thanks so much for tuning in. And from now, all the content is only private, exclusive for the Discord member. Make sure those who want to access has to be accessed through the link, because it won't be published after the video is gone. Okay, thanks. Bye.